In Ode on a Grecian Urn by John Keats, the speaker admires the urn's timeless beauty and its pros and defections of life, love, and joy. The urn symbolizes eternal art contrasting with the fleeting nature of real life. While it preserves beauty and truth, it cannot fully express humans' emotions. The poem concludes with the idea that beauty and truth are deeply interconnected and enduring. The author explores the search for meaning, beauty, and truth in life. He raises important questions about human existence and nature of art. The poem teaches us to accept life's impermanence, finding beauty and truth are closely linked and crucial to our understanding of the world. The urn's timeless beauty illustrates how art can inspire and guide us. John Keats' poem, Ode on a Grecian Urn, reflects on the connection between art, beauty, and truth, as well as the difference between the short-lived nature of human life and the lasting quality of art. The urn represents something permanent, preserving moments frozen in time while life continues to change and fade. One scene on the urn shows lovers who will never grow old, celebrations that will never stop, and a world untouched by time or decay. Keats emphasizes that life is temporary and ever-changing, but art remains eternal and unchanging.